Title: The Dog Who Waited Even When No One Came Back. There are dogs who forget, and there are dogs who remember everything. A smell, a voice, a place, a promise. And sometimes they wait. Not for hours, not for days, but for years. This is the story of a dog who never learned how to stop waiting. Scene 1. The last good day, 0:30–1:30. It began on a normal afternoon. A home filled with small sounds, footsteps, laughter, a door opening and closing. To the dog, everything meant one thing: family. He followed them everywhere, through rooms, through yards, through ordinary moments that felt like forever. He didn't know that sometimes ordinary days are the ones you remember most. That day, something felt different. A suitcase near the door, a hurried energy in the air, and then the sound of the engine starting. He ran to the window, tail moving, waiting for the car to stop, waiting for the door to open again. But it didn't. It just drove away. That night he stayed by the door, not sleeping, just listening. Every sound outside made his head lift. Every shadow made his heart jump. Because dogs don't understand goodbye the way humans do. They understand patterns. And his pattern had always been simple. They leave and they come back. But this time the pattern broke, and he didn't know it yet. Scene 3. Days turn into years, 2:30–3:30. Neighbors noticed him first. Sitting in the same place, morning after morning. Rain or sun, it didn't matter. He was still there, waiting. Some people brought food. Some tried to call him closer. But he never left the spot where he last saw them go. Because leaving felt like forgetting. And he wasn't ready to forget. Not yet. Scene 4. A stranger who stopped, 3:30–4:30. One day, someone new noticed him. Not just passing by, but stopping. Really stopping. They sat down nearby. Didn't rush him, didn't force him, just stayed. And for the first time in a long time, the dog didn't feel alone in his waiting. Slowly, carefully, trust began to return. Not as a replacement for what he lost, but as something new growing beside it. Ending, 4:30–5:10. Some dogs wait for people who never come back. But life has a quiet way of sending new beginnings. Not to erase the past, but to soften it. To remind us that love doesn't always end. Sometimes it just changes direction. Call to action, short for end of video. If this story touched you, subscribe to World of Dogs for more emotional stories that celebrate loyalty, love, and second chances. And if you believe dogs understand love better than we do, you're not alone.